Smart Tech and Trade.
Hi, what's going on YouTube and welcome back to Smart Tech and Trade. Firstly, if you have not already, make sure to check out Luxile Go. Luxile Go is the number one AI agent to help you find strategies powered by some of the best trading indicator and used by over 50,000 traders including myself, and I've covered many to their premium indicator in the past on my channel, so go ahead and check them out. But right now, if you sign up to Luxaclo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 70% off their premium indicator. Keep in mind you can also get 30 days risk free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out Luxaclo. If put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join it, but a link to it in this description below as well, where at over 8,200 members. So go ahead and check out the Discord. Now let's get right into today's videos. So it is that time of the month again where I share with you how my Robinhood strategy portfolio or Robinhood Robo Advisor account is performing. For those of you that are new here, I opened up this account over 8 months ago. So it been 2 to 3 of a year now, and honestly it feel like it was just yesterday that I opened up this account, and I promised back then that I would share with all of you the progress of the portfolio and how it performed every single month. And again I do this for several reasons. Number one is it worth opening up this account, because remember, after all you do have to pay a fee, and two, you can be grow a small account over a long period of time, and I am taking over here. I want to make it realistic for the average individual. So we will take a look here at how it has performed in the past month and since it was open as well, and also compare it to SPY. Now, firstly, what is Robinhood strategy or Robinhood Robo Advisor? So, Robinhood strategy is an investment advisory service from Robinhood that provide personalized, actively manage investment portfolio. So you can answer a series of questions about your financial goals, your risk tolerance, your time horizon. This is more than a robo advisor. Pretty much create this mixed portfolio of ETF and individual stock for you. So yes, they do invest in individual stock, and don't worry, you have control on that stock you want to turn on or off. It actually show you what stock and ETF are in my portfolio. But like I mentioned earlier, this is a fee like you can see here. So this is a 0.25% annual management fee for this service. Oh, but for Robinhood Gold member, you can have the fee or amount ever 1,000 waived. Oh, capping their annual fee at $250. So I will also show you how much I have paid in fees so far in the past 8 months now. Now, firstly, how is SPY performing in relation to my account? So, we are going to take a look here at how SPY performed in the past month. So in the past month, SPY is down 0.65%. So do you think my Robinhood strategy account outperform SPY is the past month? Comment down below yes or no. Before I show you here, so let's take a look here then at my Robinhood strategy account. Let's see how it has performed in the past month and since we open it up. So I'm going to go to investing here, and so here is my Robinhood strategy account. So the current balance is 2255. So let's take a look here in the past month how it has performed. So we are red in the past month, but we have performed better than SPY. So we're down 0.27% and SPY was down 0.65% in the past month. Let's take a look here. All time we are up to $56, or what actually matter here is we're up 12.81%. Again, this was open on March 27th. Oh, so we've been doing this now again a little bit over 8 months. Now, like I mentioned earlier, we can see here what holding we have here in the portfolio, because remember Robinhood does all of this for us. They decide what to buy, what to sell, how long to hold it. Actually, before I show you that, let me show you a breakdown of this here. So we can click on this little icon here, and this give you a written breakdown of your account has performed. So when it come to appreciation of my holding, this how much they have appreciated. When it come to income, this is how much income we have. And like I mentioned earlier, right, there is a fee involved with this. So far for me, in 8 months with my account size, I had to pay almost $1 in fees. Of course, that's going to grow as my account grow and as time goes by. But again, I want to be very transparent here with you guys. Now let's take a look here at my current portfolio. So there are 4 different sections here. So the first one in US stock. Again, they do invest in individual stock as well as ETF. So this is almost 61% of my portfolio. Let's take a look at what they have in here. Keep in mind, this is the only time ever look at this is when I make this video here. So this is the first time I am looking at this is month. So let's take a look at what they have for me here. So they have Google, and then here you can see the location and the equity amount. Bot.com, Apple, equity account. Broadcom, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft, some of those bigger companies here. Again, this here are lots of different individual holdings. Here I am not going to go through all of them, but just slowly scroll down so that you guys can take a look. But again, don't try to copy this exact portfolio that you are seeing here, because how Robinhood changes this very frequently. So what you see today might not even be what this is tomorrow. So you never know what they are doing. So don't try to copy this. Okay, so let's take a look here. So we do have these two right here. These are pretty big holding in here. So 3.53%, 3%. So this is the aerospace and defense ETF. This is mid cap ETF here. And then right here, this is equally the biggest holding in here. So this is basically the S&P 500 IV. So this is for US stock here. If we go back, let's take a look here at the next one. So US bond almost 29% for the portfolio. So we have CSGOV. You can see my equity here, and then so you can see my equity here and the location amount, so that US bonds. Let's go back here. Then we have international stock. Oh, so almost 10% here. Let's take a look at what they have in here. So they have this China Internet ETF. They have this Euro STX 50 ETF, and they this Japan Hedge Equity ETF in here for me. And then finally the last section here is just cash. Let's take a look here. So currently there just 11, a little bit over $11 is cash here, and that's put into the cash sweep program. Oh, which as the right now the AP of 3.5%. So that is my current portfolio. Again, in the past month, we are down a little bit, but we still did better than the S&P 500, and again it how it has performed all time. So let me know in the comment section below, if you have a Robinhood strategy account, how your experience has been, how has it performed, and since when. Now last thing here, let's take a look at the future. So we can click on this little button here, and this gives us kind of a future protection on where our account might be. So here is my mostly likely portfolio value in 10 years. This is what they're saying. This is what Robinhood is saying. This is if we're not to deposit any money anymore here. I will be depositing more money, but again I don't want to deposit a lots of, because I want to make it more realistic to the average individual. And so let's see, I 1 year, this is what their projection of my portfolio is. But again, that's if we have deposit anymore. Let's say we started making it like $100 monthly deposit. You can kind of see how this start to change here. And if you have more right, you can play around here and kind of see what Robinhood think your future projection and your portfolio value will be here. Oh, depending on know what your deposit are here and how many year out are you looking for. But I plan to do this for a long time. So anyway, if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Check out the Discord link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoy the video. Let me know. I will see you guys next.